Dr. Sarah Evans had always been fascinated by the microscopic world. As a microbiologist at a top-tier research facility, her days were spent peering into microscopes and uncovering the mysteries of the unseen. One day, while analyzing soil samples from a remote Amazon rainforest, she stumbled upon something unprecedented. Under the high-powered lens, she observed tiny, intelligent organisms moving in coordinated patterns. They were unlike any known microorganism, possessing a level of organization and purpose that sent chills down her spine. These were not mere bacteria or viruses. They were something far more sinister. Sarah immediately reported her findings to the authorities, but her warnings were dismissed as paranoid delusions. Frustrated, she continued her research in secret, trying to understand the nature of these tiny invaders. Days turned into weeks, and Sarah noticed a disturbing trend. The organisms were spreading, infiltrating water supplies, crops, and even the air. People around the world began to exhibit strange symptoms. At first, it was just mild headaches and occasional disorientation, but soon it escalated to severe neurological disorders and violent behavior. Panic spread as more and more individuals fell victim to this mysterious affliction. Governments declared states of emergency, but traditional methods of containment and eradication proved futile. The aliens were virtually indestructible and incredibly adaptable. They thrived in any environment, using their microscopic size to their advantage. They infiltrated every facet of human life, manipulating their hosts to spread chaos and fear. Sarah, along with a small group of scientists and military personnel, worked tirelessly to find a solution. They discovered that the aliens communicated through high-frequency signals, which explained their coordinated movements. The team developed a device that emitted a disruptive frequency, hoping it would incapacitate the invaders. In a desperate last stand, they deployed the device in a major city, broadcasting the signal across a wide area. For a moment, it seemed to work. The affected individuals collapsed, and the tiny organisms appeared to be immobilized. The world breathed a collective sigh of relief, believing the nightmare was over. But Sarah knew better. She had seen the aliens' adaptability firsthand and feared they would evolve to overcome this new obstacle. Her suspicions were confirmed when she examined a new sample under her microscope. The aliens were already developing resistance to the frequency. As the sun set on a seemingly peaceful world, Sarah watched in horror as the tiny organisms resumed their activity, stronger and more resilient than before. The invasion was far from over, and humanity's time was running out. In the final scene, Sarah stands alone in her lab, the flickering light casting long shadows on the walls. She speaks into a recorder, her voice trembling but resolute. "They're evolving faster than we can keep up. We thought we had time, but they've already adapted. If anyone finds this recording, know that we fought until the end, but they're coming for you. They're already here." The camera pans out from the lab, showing the world beyond. In the quiet of the night, the tiny invaders continue their relentless conquest, unseen and unstoppable. The fate of humanity hangs in the balance, leaving the viewer to wonder, is there any hope left? The screen fades to black and the credits roll, leaving the chilling question unanswered.